Sup guys? So in the previous video I show you how to swap parts of this Ford Mustang GT 2018 from CCA, so today's video I want to try repaint it a little bit. I want to change this yellow Mustang into a blue-green gradient color. So let's get started. Let's disassemble them first.
Be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself.
So, shit happens. The water slide decal cracked when I apply the clear coat, so I have to repaint it. And this time I decided to use a masking tape method. I'm using black candy tone, so the black won't be too strong. And clear coat it again, and dry 'em under the source of natural heat. It's the sun, by the way. Ah, finally, inside again. Inside good, outside full of bad people, and it's 33 degrees Celsius, great temperature to dry a paint. Oh no, the color on the door is a bit mismatched with the body. Spraying a little bit blue should fix it. Be right back. There, fixed it. So as usual, subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up, and oh, you should try beef brain curry. It's super delicious, a little bit expensive and have a high cholesterol level, but believe me, you should try it. I suggest you buy it on Padang or Kapow restaurant. Bye.